Hello, hi guys, good evening. So let's start a new topic. So today topic is how to YouTube channel detail display on Next.js side. In case you have a Next.js side, okay, but you need a display all the details like this is my YouTube channel, okay. So you total subscriber, total view count, total content list, playlist, okay. So right now I created my personal website, so like this tech-abl.com. So here is I display the my subscribe count, okay, 564. This is dynamically, and this is a video link. And also here you can check course inside. I am display all the playlist like this. So tricks and trip, investment, DevOps, then podcast, assets, GraphQL, like this. All the this one is playlist, okay. See, here is go to playlist. So all the playlist is display on the here. I'm not each and every created statically, so all the data fetching on using YouTube. And in case if you click on specific item, so I click on like this is specific course consider. So I click on specific, here also showing the number of the item. So this is trick and trips 1 lessons, investment 2 lessons, like this DevOps related 7 lesson. All the lesson is fetching from the API. I will show you step by step. So if I click on the start course, okay, start the start courses. So if you courses, then showing the specific the all the list. Here is single list, then automatically showing the YouTube link here and display the your the video. So if I click on play button, there also controller here properly showing, YouTube is also showing, okay. If I click go back and click on DevOps, then all the DevOps playlist inside multiple you have a list, then all the list is visible here. If user is watching the end, then automatically going to next page, okay. So let's see. Okay, just second. Yeah, see, going to end, and once the end is video, automatically going to next. See, I'm not clicking here, okay, anywhere. So after that I show you the how to subscribe view count, how to playlist, click on specific video, then automatically show pause and plays like this, okay. And go to anywhere, click on, then automatically you are the video display, and you can click on play. So how to get data? So basically I will showing you step by step. So basically you can check on the YouTube API, okay. This is very important API collection. So here is almost all the see YouTube documentation developer, okay. See, here is your the all the YouTube documentation API available. So just yeah, data API, here we are reaching, and once the reaching, then okay. So just second, YouTube viewers, in case we calling the JavaScript, okay. Just second, all the API data is available. Reference, yeah, correct, okay. I will adding also the comment inside. This is, so here is getting the channel related informations, or you means like as how many details, how many were the subscriber, view count, how many you have a total videos count, okay. So but is very important, you need also the API access. So how to API access? Click on developer console, here you going to Google Clouds. So Google Cloud inside a specific select over the project, and once the project is selected, go to the traditional. Okay, here we going to add your the traditional API keys. Okay, so basically you need enable the your the this is API general API. Okay, so enable and just second authentications libraries. Okay, here is library. Here you can type a YouTube. Okay, YouTube YouTube data, this one is YouTube data API v3. This is enable. If you have a disable, please the enable. Once the you enable the YouTube data API access, then you can easily all the YouTube related access to the anywhere like nextjs, react native, react.js, php, anywhere you can access Angular like this. But this is very important, so you can enable. And once the enable, then the go to your the traditional. I'm right now using a specific single API key. Okay, once the API key is generate the hairs. Okay, copy paste, and I will show you. This is my React Native project. Okay, sorry, Next.js project. So just like yeah. So this how to store. So basic and second one important. So here go to setting inside. Go to the manage YouTube account. So manage YouTube account. After that, here you are the connected app. Yeah, advanced setting, correct. So advanced setting, this is your the channel ID. Okay, so channel ID is important. So this one is your channel ID. Also the copy channel ID. You have a API key and you have a channel key, both you have. So then after go to your the nextjs application inside. So see here I use the .env. Okay, see .env inside channel ID and the YouTube key. Okay, so this is very important. You can mention the .env inside the your channel ID and the YouTube key. Okay, once the you can mention your properly your channel ID and YouTube key, then you can easily you can access the channel related information and YouTube related information. Okay, so basically right now, so go to your the src folder, pages. Okay, go to your the src pages API, and here I created the YouTube one folder specific the endpoints. So see here is we created the details, how to fetch details. So here is the process.env.youtube key. Okay, YouTube key and channel ID, process.env.channel ID. So we have both keys added in the .env. So here this is a endpoint. So YouTube YouTube/v version 3 channels. Okay, parts, and here I passes the ID means you are the channel ID and key means you are the YouTube key you created on the Google Clouds. So once the getting the details, so here is JSON and send to the back. So I will show also the in Postman. Okay, okay, so I will remove the all, remove the not no any requirement. Okay, cancel. I click on here. Okay, so right now localhost okay, 3000, then API, YouTube and details. Okay, and I click on here, then you are getting the details like this. See items inside. So view count, so how many totals counts, subscribe count, okay, and the false hidden YouTube hidden subscriber counts also false, and video count, how many you have video count, 2270 I have total the video count. So like this, okay, this is the getting the full channel related details overall. Then how to fetch playlist, okay, playlist, for again going to playlist inside. So here again we imported the key and channel id, okay, and I created the again the single endpoint. So how to create endpoint like this, you have a basic idea. So page initiation, router also a page initiation in nextjs. Nextjs is a good advantage, just page initialization is automatically created, okay. So here is imported fee channel id. So here response, see this is important, so you can check the all the endpoints on YouTube document API. So only the remember, so YouTube slash v version 3 playlist part, then the passing some content details, max result, how many getting the records, so 500, and also here is passing the channel id and key, okay, like this. So once the getting passing the correct your key and channel id, then getting the your the maximum 500 the getting the response back the result means playlist. So here also the JSONs and also the respond.json and passing the respond.status 200 JSON format to JSON. So also we checking the in localhost. So I will copy paste and only the modify the endpoint. So how to endpoint modify, so like this playlist, okay, and rename and copy, okay, that's it. Going to endpoint, here the paste, then getting the all the endpoints. So see here the your endpoints. So firstly getting the thumbnail inside, default thumbnail medium large, okay. So see this one is item inside getting the array of the object, okay. So you have multiple playlists, then one by one showing. So here showing the icons, so sorry, yeah, showing the icons size like as a medium large, quality wise. Channel title is sorry, here is localize title is your the playlist list, and here the content details item count, so how many, so I display already one lessons. So second is like this showing the images, so you can use them high resolution the image, okay. Image means like this, I display this one is your the image, okay. So here is low, medium, high resolution wise, you can coming to backend side. And also the localize inside the title investment is your playlist name and how many item count 2. So I display the here the 2 lessons, means there is 2 videos available. So whole your means maximum the 500 your the list is showing all the playlist count, okay. I hope you understand. Second point, this is your the details playlist. Once the user is click, okay, once the user click on the specific playlist, then show specific playlist fetching the details, how to fetch. So see here is I click the playlist inside the list, okay. See this is very important. So here is passing the playlist id, okay, means you have multiple playlist list data, and you click on the specific playlist, then calling the this endpoint playlist dot list. So here is playlist id is equal to request dot query dot playlist, okay. So passing to the navigation through the playlist id, and key is obviously, and here is passing the playlist id is equal to playlist id, key is equal to key. Here is not record the channel id. Okay, remember point, here is need a playlist id and key. Okay, once they getting the data, then passing to the JSON format. Okay, so I will show you also just second, I am duplicate. Okay, so playlist, just here and drag and drop. Okay, see playlist, but here we are using playlist list, and list also, here we need a key. So which key you have like this. So playlist is here available, and see this is my investment, and here is getting the id. Okay, I passing to the here, and once they click here, oh, error is coming, just second, just second. I will show you inside the code. Okay, React inside. So this is a, I display the all the your the endpoints, how to calling. So this is home page, how to details, how to get the details. So we are going to page inside home screen page.txt. okay, this is txt. Sorry, go to core component and header, I getting the details. Yeah, so how to call the your the internally endpoint. So see here is service.base url. Okay, service.base url means, just second, I will show you service inside. See here also the getting the I created the one singleton class. Okay, class service base url is a string constructor inside defining the this dot base url, then calling the specific the internal functions, this dot set base url. Here is switch case, we are using process.env. Where is managing env managing the .env inside. Okay, .env inside local or production, like this. We only changing the .env, then automatically switch the your the code, execute the local side or execute the deployed side. So here is, if you local env, then http dot localhost 3000 API, and once the production, then https take abl dash take hyphen abl.com/API, getting the productions level the fetch the records. Okay, this is the singleton class. Okay, remember, because there is export constant service is equal to new service, not again reinitialization. Once the initialization, then getting the your the inside the whole the public values, variable values. Okay, here we abl core services. Okay, imported here phase the passing, sorry, here phase the service.base url and passing to the endpoint like this /youtube details. Once the calling, then getting the details the youtube related, and created local state, and local state once the getting, then the our state is updating, and where the component re-rendering like this. And we use the here we are using the use client like this. Okay, so after that, how to display the the playlist. So course inside, go to pages also, here /youtube playlist, and here the creating local state, and local state updating the response.items, and here the display the course dot map, then showing the images like this item dot thumbnail dot high resolution, that's url. Okay, remember, you can your requirement wise low, medium, high, display the image. Okay, and after that I will show those how see here user is click on. So if start user, yeah, start course, user is click on, see this is your the endpoint courses playlist. Okay, courses playlist, and here playlist count means playlist count question mark playlist count is equal to item dot id. Okay, you can pass the id and go to the inside and see here use effect, using effect inside base URL call. So see here we are using next navigation, means like as a if you any navigation through passing the data, then get the data which data is coming to the this component. So use search params. Okay, so here is use search param is equal to use search params. Okay, this is hooks, remember. Okay, and the user pick inside the page, they passing the base URL youtube slash youtube list inside the passing to the place list is equal to get params dot get playlist place, where is passing playlist here like this playlist. Okay, see this is a playlist, and the playlist playlist is getting, and after that the calling the your the endpoints. Okay, and here the getting the response. Once the get the response, then internal list is updating and selected records. So index number 1 response dot item of 0. So you can play the item list of the item play, means like this. Just see if you click on the like this, I click on the DevOps. Okay, so selected first and select index number the 0 is video on display like this. So like this has selected videos, index number 1 id is showing here, video id also showing here. Okay, and here the list is display, and after the react player, we are using third party react player for this playing the youtube video. So here is the passing to the player is auto player true false using states. Okay, selected video inside state, and here passing the url means like this. We are passing the only the video id. So here is mentioning the video id, and once the user click on any list, then also the selected list is updating, and here a video list is automatically dynamically change your the video id. Okay, so and here also passing to the video id, and once the on end reach video, then the selected video selected to next video. So next index is +1, and +1 once the selected index +1, and here list getting the id also the video next video vid passing. So I will show you again. So here is playlist, and we are going to correct playlist question mark list inside. So here is calling, but there is this one is not issue, but you can calling the using a so this one is also correct. So basically in case the like this one is not working, just one get body raw JSON inside, sorry, and passing to the your here I'm removing same. Also he is facing the issue, but you can see here is I will show you also the nextjs. So see this is your endpoints. Okay, I copied and going to the here and pasted here. Okay, then also facing the postman inside is failing. Okay, but nextjs API is properly working. I will show you also. So here go to your the inspect. Okay, inspect inside, go to the network tab. Once the reach, so see here I refreshing. So say here is playlist is id going. So this is your the gate. Okay, we passing and getting the response. See, response right now is getting the your the whole html response. Okay, but this is incorrected. Okay, but you need a properly response. So we can, you can use a json format. Okay, response.json, then we getting the properly output. Okay, like this. So each and every endpoint is searching here and getting the response. So this is very important how to pass. This is a playlist id. You can playlist id, you can dynamically change pass, then we getting the specific playlist list is getting. Okay, so you can pass here devops like this. You have multiple playlist, so specific playlist click on like this, and click on the podcast. So getting the podcast, all the list is getting like this. And once the list is getting, then you can display on the view, so as you are the requirement wise. So I hope you understand better way. So in case you have any query, so also ping me or message me, definitely I will help you. So also make sure share and subscribe is very important, because taking time and creating step by step video is a very big task. So definitely ping me if you any struck any specific task. So also ping me which topic you need record, then I will definitely I will create the video and publish on the YouTube. So thank you, take care, bye bye.